Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, my name's Vicki. Today I wanted to take you along as I cook dinner for Chad and I. It is a simple meal. I'm just throwing a few items together and I think it's going to turn out amazing. If you would like this type of video, please give me a thumbs up or a like or a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. It's completely free and I would love for you to hang out with us for a while. I share lots of cooking videos, meal prepping videos, healthy food and snacks, some home decor, and a few shopping hauls. So let's get started on dinner. Okay, for this meal, I'm gonna boil some pasta. We're using thin spaghetti. I'm gonna saute with my Graza Sizzle extra virgin olive oil. And I'm gonna saute a shallot that I grate and some garlic cloves that I grate. And we're gonna put this together really quick. First thing I'm gonna do is put some water on to bring that pasta water up to cook. Okay, we got our water on. Okay, my water started to boil and I'm gonna go ahead and add some thin pasta, thin spaghetti to the water. There we go. And we're gonna boil this for 10 minutes. Okay, for our sauce, for our pasta, I'm going to just use some of my Graza olive oil. This is the Sizzle. It's what you cook with. And I'm going to take my grater and I'm going to grate some of my shallot and some of my garlic. Got my shallot here. Just going to grate some of that. Now we're going to take some of our garlic cloves. Okay, we're just going to put this on medium and let that saute while our noodles are cooking for 10 minutes. You want to cook that scallion or shallot and garlic down a little bit so that it gets rid of that raw garlic flavor. You don't want it to be overpowering. Smells really good. While this is going, I'm going to show you in my pan how I make my garlic bread on my sourdough. I'm going to use this. I freeze it in the freezer, and it doesn't affect your sugar and glycemic index as much as fresh does. Okay, I melted some of my Kerrygold butter, which is really good butter. It's Irish butter. I'm going to take my pastry brush and just brush my bread with this butter. And get it really good. You know what I forgot to do, guys? I forgot to defrost my bread in the microwave first. It was frozen. I'll do that. I think it'll be okay even with the butter on it. Sorry. I've got garlic paper getting on there. Oh no. We don't want our garlic to burn. That will definitely not taste good. Oh no. hope this didn't mess it up. My garlic's almost burnt. I'm going to add some butter to my sauce. I removed it from the heat and I turned it off. I really hope that it'll be okay. I think it will. It got hot where I put that pan on it. I should have known better. But anyway, we'll try to see if it'll work. I pray it does. Anyway, put that butter in there, and I'm just waiting for our noodles to get done. I'm going to go ahead and defrost our bread in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Okay, the bread is defrosted. I put it back on our pan right there. It's covered with butter. Now I'm going to take my garlic powder. Let's see here. I'm just using regular garlic powder. And I'm going to sprinkle some of that on the top of my bread. Pretty generously because I like garlic. Then we're going to take our drizzle from Graza olive oil. And I'm going to drizzle a little bit of that on the top as well. We'll give it a really good flavor. Then we're going to take our bread and put it in the oven. I've got it on low broil, so we got to watch it good. Let me see if our pasta's ready. It's done. Okay, we're just going to put it in there with our butter and our olive oil and our garlic and shallots. You can reserve a little bit of that pasta water if you want to. You may need to thin your sauce. Okay, and that burner off. This burner's off. And just twirl it around. It's already done cooking. I'm just letting it get acquainted with each other. Okay. And I'm going to add just a little bit of red pepper flakes to our pasta as well. Got these crushed red pepper flakes. Not much, because Chad don't like heat. I do. Let me check my garlic bread. And I've got a little bit of this shredded Parm, Asiago, and Romano cheese. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit of that in there as well, because cheese makes everything better, right? Like I said, pasta is a great budget meal because it goes a long way. All right, smells amazing. Really, really good. Let me fix Chad's plate. And then let me check our garlic bread again. Should be about finished. It is finished. Don't that look good? Yeah. So, take Chad. Piece of this garlic bread. And there's dinner. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. I want to add some cracked black pepper to this as well. There's a little bit of salt because I forgot to salt my pasta water. And you have to do that. this up in a minute. Okay. All right. I'm going to taste it right out of the pan, guys. Because that's how I roll flow. Looks hot. That's good. I'm gonna add some more olive oil. And a little bit more butter. I think it needs more flavor. I like more of a garlic flavor, so I would have added more garlic to this. Let's try it. You know, this is a budget meal, so you're only using things you probably have in your kitchen. It's too big a bite. Too big a bite. Let's try. It's good. Love it. I think it was really good. It's not overwhelming with flavor. It's very subtle, but it would be very filling, and I think it's good. Let's try the garlic bread. I think it looks really good. Let's try that. Looks good. I hope you enjoyed coming along as I cooked today. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so you'll be notified when I have any upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.